The ISC Squared SSCP Certificate demonstrates advanced knowledge of the implementation, monitoring, and administration of information systems. Security best practices are evaluated to ensure in-depth understanding of the policies and procedures established by cybersecurity experts at ISC Squared. The ISC Squared SSCP certification exam requires on-the-job experience working with the technologies and tools being tested on, as this more advanced certification is one that most cybersecurity professionals aim to acquire during their career. If a candidate has the required experience and is aiming to studying the ISC Squared SSCP certificate exam's most central topics, they should master the following: access controls, security operations and administration, risk identification, monitoring and analysis, incident response and recovery, cryptography, network and communication security, systems and application security. Our cybersecurity professional program enlists industry-leading cybersecurity specialists from around the world to develop a market-driven curriculum for budding technologists. Students that complete the cybersecurity program are thoroughly educated on intermediate security topics, and with additional at-home studying and a few years' experience in the field, can go on to take the ISC Squared SSCP exam